Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the First Command Retirement Planner. The First Command Retirement Planner is a customized financial planning tool specifically created for military families and individuals connected to the armed forces. Its core purpose is to empower users to develop a secure retirement strategy by addressing the specific challenges they face, including frequent relocations, fluctuating income, and the integration of military benefits. This planner offers a comprehensive solution for those seeking a personalized approach to retirement planning. The tool starts by collecting your financial information, including current savings, retirement accounts, your age, and your anticipated retirement date. It factors in military-specific considerations like pensions, thrift savings plan, teaspoon, contributions, and potential income from transitioning to civilian life. Using this data, the planner generates a clear overview of your financial preparedness and pinpoints any potential gaps in your current retirement strategy. A key strength of the First Command Retirement Planner lies in its personalized approach. Users can simulate different scenarios, such as adjusting savings rates, modifying investment strategies, or exploring various retirement ages. The tool also offers guidance on maximizing military benefits, such as healthcare options and survivor benefits, ensuring a smooth transition into civilian retirement if that's your plan. Its dynamic reports and projections allow you to easily visualize your future financial path. What distinguishes First Command is the integration of financial coaching. Users have access to expert advisors specializing in military financial planning, providing personalized advice that complements the planner's projections. This personal touch makes it an excellent choice for individuals who desire more than just a digital tool. They want a reliable partner on their financial journey. The First Command Retirement Planner is ideal for active duty service members, veterans, and their families needing a solution that understands the complexities of military life. If building a strong and achievable retirement plan with comprehensive tools and expert guidance is your goal, explore the links in the description below to discover how First Command can benefit your future.